They try to play smart, even when the name not be smart. But after all the bother, they can still come live for the mat. And they man as I bought the shot. The guy could be a number. And they boom on way as far as you know one they think. Maybe you get TV. That's shaggy TV.
Hey, you remember me?
Yes, Ifeoma's brother, right?
Yo, you're right. Surprised to see me?
Yes.
I was supposed to be executed in Singapore, right?
Exactly, yes. Yes.
And listen to me. Before you learn how to smoke weed, you'll be a hybrid. So when the Lord decree, you'll be in a high velocity of speed, flesh and blood. I am innocent. That's why I need to order. Okay, what's up?
Well, thank God for you. You're back.
Yeah.
At least you're innocent, like you said.
Yeah. Glory be to God. That's why. So, down to the business of the day. Where's your friend Chooks?
I have no idea. I don't know.
You are aware that he called off his wedding with my sister? Imal.
Not exactly. In fact, I was even completely shocked when your sister called me and told me about it.
Oh, you did not even know about it beforehand?
Honestly, I don't. I've been trying to call him since yesterday. I mean, his numbers are switched off.
Okay, so where is he now? Huh?
Look, I don't know why I'll be lying with a serious matter as this.
Hey, man, listen. Chooks is your bosom friend. And you wouldn't tell me that you don't know where he is. So, Kadebon, where is he?
Like I told you, I don't know. And what is it with all these questions? Why are you asking me all this?
So, if I find out that you are lying, what will happen?
Look, right now, I'm embarrassed, okay? I'm completely embarrassed because I've invited multitude of people for this wedding as the best man. I don't know where he is.
Bobby, man, on your bar ball or la cholo, man. It was there about Joku. Boy said, take you, man. You know, right? If you say that you don't know anything about Chooks' whereabouts, Kosi, mana. I am coming from Singapore where we sing and pour and do things to the core.
Go buy, who buy market go pay, and who pay must to collect and what do. Some more person for jungle, you deal with me the struggle.
Hey brother man, I'm infectious and I spread wide like a virus.
Don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you step in on my toes, you are doomed. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. Ego di mwele na dasibo. Jesi leba ne jese zibo. Mapotaze kokukibo. Chaba kanzebeze ya kobusi efibo. They try to play smart, even when the name not be smart. But after all the bother, they can still come live for the mat. And they man as I bought the shot. The guy could be a number. And they boom on way as far as you know one they think. Maybe you get TV. Flash you get DVD. Let's say your tape or man watch you get a big TV. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect. We run things here. You must collect. I just came back from Singapore, baby. You must collect. You must collect. You must collect.
This young man, I'm Moroccan Sikwado. But this time, I'll tell him where I'm coming from.
Go buy, who buy market go pay, and who pay must to collect. Collect and what do. Sumo pursue for jungle. You deal with me, they struggle. When other guys they hustle, we go play like.
After all these years, because of this Chukwuka, you missed out on the lawyer from Ifite, Chief Onwuka's son. Am I talking about the boy from America? How many will I count? I've been telling you, but you
leave all those things. Leave all those things. It's not by American boy or by lawyer. It's not by those things. I did not love them, and I didn't want to get married because I was under hot fire. No.
The Chukwuka you loved so much, where is he? Mba, ebe love buru kamanya.
What kind of
talking? I'm talking talk. They talk on the ground. What happened now we are talking? Hey, Fee?
My pain is I have no idea why. Why? Like, why? Why did he do it? Why? Why did you do it? How can I start all over again? How? My boss, my work, my office people, aunties, uncle, like even food, drinks, everybody's already everybody's planning for the wedding.
It's okay. Stop lamenting. It's okay. My first daughter. Eh? Nonsense. It's okay, my dear. It's okay. This is not the end of the world. You need to go and take a shower and then find something and eat.
Food is not doing me. I'm not hungry.
No, don't say that. If I'm a big don't just say that. No. You have to eat. You need your body needs food. You need food to be strong. For you to cope with this pressure. It's too much. It's okay. It's okay. Madam, Nemo, it's okay. You can take a shower, you know? Your sister has already prepared something for you to eat. Look, you must eat something. You know? You are so beautiful. Men are still coming.
It's not by beauty.
It's by beauty.
It's not by...
It's by beauty. You are beautiful in the inside and outside. You have everything a man can need in a woman. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Losing you is losing everything. So you don't have to grieve. Can't take a shower and come out, please. Useless Chukwuka. Nonsense. Who is he?
It's like I am dreaming. My world is crumbling. I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you're leaving me.
Sis, should I get more words for you? Sis, please just be okay for us. Sis, eat now. You're not eating it well. Should I feed you?
It's okay. I'm okay. I'm fine. I'm okay. Seriously, I've taken a bath, rested, eating now. I'm okay. I'm okay. Have you eaten your food?
No, but I just want to make sure that you...
Oh yeah, go and eat your go and eat your food. Go and eat, okay?
You sure you'll be fine alone?
I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm eating.
Just make sure you finish your food.
Yes. I'm okay. Just help me bring water.
Okay, I'll be back.
Remember how we used to love each other and all our plans to build up our family. Hope you remember the agenda. Will you throw it back to my face now? Just tell me what's the problem. Maybe together we will solve it. But do not leave me, I am begging you please. I may not survive if it feels like I'm dreaming. My world is crumbling. I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you're leaving me. What is my offense? Tell me now, I will apologize.
Babe, you and this guy just met each other. You don't even know him too well. Huh? Yes, I know he has money. Lots of money. But have you ever asked yourself where this guy got all this money from? Do you know if he's a kidnapper, an armed robber, or possibly a ritualist?
I don't know him very well. My brother knows him very well. They used to do business together.
Are you telling me this because you plan to leave me?
Did I say that? Did I say I want to leave you, Troops? Did I say that? I just want you to understand the pot of pressure that I'm under. I want you to understand it. You don't understand me. Like, look at me now. Look at me. I am a very gorgeous, beautiful woman. Like, if I turn like this, men, they're just everywhere. If I look like this, offering me the war. If I look like this, the money. If I look like this, the grass is just green. It's just flourishing for me. But I'm pushing them all away because of you. Because of you. Because of
you. Babe, I know all you do for me. I see them. And I thank you for doing all of that. Me. Okay, I need to build me. I need to be a better man. All right? I have dreams. I have dreamt of being on the same table with men like Bill Gates, Dangote, and name it. I don't see myself living the ordinary life. Struggling to pay school fees, struggling to pay house rent. Is that the kind of life you want? Come on.
It's not. No. No.
And just give me more time. Give me more time to fix me, and I promise you everything will be fine. Okay? I'm going to marry you. You're going to be my wife. We're going to have beautiful kids.
Promise me.
I promise you.
Promise me that you'll never disappoint me.
Ifoma, I promise you with everything I have and everything I'm going to become, I will never leave you.
Cross
okay?
your heart.
I cross my heart, I cross my soul.
Touch your tongue.
How do you want to do? How do you want me to do it? Okay, I'm touching my tongue. I promise you I will never leave you.
Touch my heart.
You know I like to touch your heart. You know I love to touch your heart now. I love you. All right?
I love you 1,000.
Thank you. Oh.
You like batting. You like batting. Let's go and do some more batting. I want to do. Why? Why did you disappoint me? Why? You promised not to disappoint me. And then you disappointed me, you disgraced me.
I am begging you, please. It's like I'm dreaming. My world is crumbling. I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you're leaving me. What is my offense? Tell me now, I will apologize. But do not leave me now, I am begging you. My love, I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell. Cause I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell. Remember how we used to love each other. And all our plans to build up our family. Hope you remember the agenda. Will you throw it back to my face now? Just tell me what's the problem. Maybe together we will survive. But
What is the meaning of this? You ask me what is the meaning of all this?
See you see me now. Me wait on Jombolo. Come Jombolo. And you will no even see. Small puzzle for Jungle. You know if you solve. And you follow me in the back. Happy? Huh? I go explain them to you now. I don't see fire. I don't see water. I don't swim flame. Person will be like me, we don't die before we wake up. Now you follow me. I was in Singapore as a condemned criminal where we sing and pour and you do things to the core. You don't know. It's like I tell you. Face, if you have face. Now make one guy answer to the face. So that if your face no fear first face, you go fear two face, ask two face. Look, I show you say I'm bad. What you need is they put it to you, say by the time I don't come here, come out till now. You have called your friend 2 times, right or wrong?
But I say come on watch you for here. I said I'm telling her they follow you in talk. Didn't make a put down for your body small. Make a put down.
Right or wrong?
How did you
And the information when you give him, say, I came looking for him. Abi? And he now told you to lock up the house and scamper. Shebi?
This one not you now, you don't know anything.
I want humble him. I don't go like shoot you so that you go lead me to where you be. Listen, you disgraced my family.
Hey!
You and your friend conspired and disgraced my sister. Me and my kingsmen don't come, make we humble you small. We'll start small. Abobi, bring me Ken.
General! No, humble and small.
Maserati means slide down. If come, Abobi, bring this thing. I mean, they follow me. They follow me online, whole toy boy. They follow me online. They talk. Collect photo, furiously. 24 lashes. So that I go remind you your primary school days. All those days where you do kumbia with small picking. 1, 2,
You dey count am.
You count am.
That's why. How many? That's why. That's why. You count am. That's why. That's why. That's what do. That's why you dey lie. You dey count am. How many? 22. It remains you. Oh yeah, put am Maserati. Like Maserati. Put your nyash where they put am where for you. 24.
24. No, correct this guy. May we go do am plenty things. Many things. Many things.
Move! Oh yeah. Carry second. I will not be by enter you and no come out. If I run inside you and no come out.
I mean, they follow the Wahagara. You will know if you saw small person to jump. They follow me the wrong boat, the struggle. Eh? Me, we don't jump before.
Do this to the core. So make you know the wanna. Don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are doomed. You must collide. Remember how we used to love each other. And all our plans to build up our family. Hope you remember the agenda. Really throw it back to my face now. Just tell me what's the problem. Maybe together we will solve it. But do not leave me. I am begging you, please. I may not survive if you like I'm dreaming. My world is crumbling. I can't believe it's happening now. I can't believe you're leaving me.
What is it?
What is my offense? Tell me now, I will apologize. But do not leave me now.
Why?
I'm begging you, my love. I can't believe that you left me.
Why?
Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you are desperate. Cause I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you are desperate. Remember how we used to love each other.
Come on, get up. I'm not bad. No.
Sister, please stop this, please.
Please call Ubunna for me. Boronia.
Mom, I've been calling him, but he's not picking up. I've been calling him, I will still call him again. Sister, come, let's go. It's okay.
Ify, look at your mom. Look at me.
Sister, look at me. Look at your kid, sister here.
My world is crumbling. I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you're leaving me. What is my offense? Tell me now, I will apologize. But do not leave me now, I am begging you, my love.
Hello, Jenny.
Listen, Femi, your father is wealthy. My father is also wealthy. So?
Come on, Jenny. This is not about money. It is about us.
I am not interested.
Come on, Jenny. Your father and I were very good friends. And it's important if we cement this relationship with marriage. That's the right thing to do, girl.
Femi, your father's relationship with my dad is between them, okay? We have nothing in common. Absolutely nothing.
Come on, Jenny. We met in Britain and you told me...
Oh, please, can you just stop with this whole thing, please? Look, I have met my husband.
Husband? How?
Since your head. I owe you no explanation, okay? Listen, we're getting married really soon.
Jenny, how can you meet someone you don't, somebody you barely know, and you're talking about marriage? I don't understand. Are you okay?
Hello, I'm not just meeting him. We've known from school days. Like, we're not just schoolmates, we are lovers. Yes. I mean, he knows me very well. Unlike you, I'm just getting to know you.
So who is his father?
How is that even relevant?
Jenny, you need to get married to a rich man's son so that you can maintain the class. You have you're aware of the word social stratification. All animals are equal, but some are more equal than others. I'm telling you this because of the future of your children.
Oh, please, that is totally irrelevant. I mean, my fiance's father is his father, and it is none of your business, Femi. Okay? It is none of your business. Once the invitation is ready, I'll send it across to you. Or if you don't want to come, then that's fine. It's your business.
Jenny, you see these broke ass guys, these low budget guys, they are all gold diggers. They only come in there to reap where they did not sow. Please be wise. Okay, I'm jettisoning this idea.
Thank you so much, Mr. Marriage Advisor. Thank you. I am not getting married to class. I am getting married to a man. A man who loves me, who adores me. And that's on period, okay? Unlike someone who I know wants to think everything is doing me a favor. No, I don't want that.
It's alright then, if that's what you want. I wish you all the best. Good luck.
I wish you too. Thank you. What nonsense.
Mama, Brachuka's numbers, they are still not going through.
Since yesterday?
Yes, Mama.
What is going on?
Ma, you know Brother Chukwuka now, eh? His behavior is not encouraging at all.
Well, are you sure Chukwuka is okay?
Mama, but you know how Brother Chukwuka behaves, eh? You will call your own brother several times. He will not speak. He won't even call back. Mama, what do I do now? Do I still travel to Lagos tomorrow?
Yes, of course. You have to go. You have to go. Maybe his phones are dead because of the running around of the wedding. Yes. At least you have to see how you can help him out.
Okay then, I'll go tomorrow. I'll travel to Lagos tomorrow.
Hey. Bridget, I greet you. I'm just coming back from where I went to supervise my wine tapping, and I said let me come and greet you people and see. I greet you.
You greet you too. Ekekwe.
How far? Any news yet?
No news yet, Ekekwe. If there is anyone, we will hear.
Okay, no problem. You know that when I visited Lagos was when I was in primary school. That time I went on holidays to Chief Edward Ndukwe's house. But that man, I thank God though. I thank God this man would have used my star for money. So I had to bail myself and run for my dear life. Otherwise.
See what you are saying. Chief Edward, that was already rich before you were born, wants to use your star to make money.
Which one do you know? Do you know how these things work? Do you know how these people do their things? Don't you know that these rich men, what they do is they use people's stars and later, in years to come, they will still use other people's stars and blood to maintain it. You don't know now.
Story. What have you achieved with your star that they want your own star? What have you achieved with it?
Who are you? You know me and you know the follow. Bridget, one this your daughter. You know she's small. Anyway, one day you will come and humble yourself under a man who you will be answering and sweet at Obim, or that time you will not have.
You see the more reason why we don't want you to come to my brother's wedding. Before you claim that he wants to use your pan wine tapping stuff for money ritual.
Bridget, this your daughter of yesterday. She doesn't know who is her elder. Every time I come here, we package insult a banquet. Is it because she has grown like overgrown toro? Opoko? Okoka Greek? Don't worry. One day, I will come and drink palm wine on top of this your head. If record.
You will drink palm wine on top of my head?
Yes!
It will never. It will never happen.
Instead, I will be the supplier of palm wine that day. Free of charge. If your brother refuses to send me money for that palm wine, I will make sure I do contract on and supply palm wine that people will drink on that day.
It will never happen. Not in my wedding.
Okay. Free of charge. Palm wine on your head. Free of charge. I will make sure I supply palm wine on top of it.
Always funny.
I'm not even listening to you.
My daughter, please don't mind him. Don't mind him. The number is still not going, right?
Not going, Mama.
Yeah, who's that?
Me.
Hey, babe.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Welcome.
Thank you.
How did it go?
It went well.
Oh, great. Great stuff. I trust you. I know what you can do. Yeah.
Darling.
Yes, babe.
What's going on? Why are you parking?
Oh, babe. I have an emergency meeting in Abuja. I have to be in Abuja this evening, so I booked the last flight.
I hope all is well.
Yeah, all is well. Yes, I have to be in Abuja. I'm going to meet a senator with my lawyer. He's a partner to one of my father's businesses he willed to me. Like I said, you can always stay here and wait for me. You don't need to do any business. I'm enough business for you. So just stay married to me and do nothing, okay?
How long are you staying?
Say tomorrow, but it depends on the outcome of our meeting. I hope you're going to see me off to the airport.
Sure.
Definitely. When I come back, I'll introduce you to my uncle. He's more like a father to me. After that, we'll go for shopping in London and Dubai, and then our honeymoon will be in California. I swear my sister is going to die of envy. I mean, she hasn't been with another man since her Dubai boyfriend broke up with her. I can't wait for you to be mine.
I can't wait to be yours.
I love you.
Of course you know I love you too.
I know. Alright. Let me just finish up and we get going. You follow me to the airport, right?
Yeah.
Cool. Cool stuff. I'll be back. I promise you tomorrow I will be back. Okay? Okay?
It's alright, I'll try.
Okay. Great stuff. Woo, my shoes.
It's crumbling. I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you're leaving me. What is my offense? Tell me now, I will apologize. But do not leave me now, I am begging you. My love, I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell. Cause I can't believe that
Ifeoma is our friend. You should be happy for her. Why are you beefing her?
Lucy, I'm not beefing Ifeoma. I am not. Just that I don't like it when someone acts arrogant because good things are coming her way. Do you know Ifeoma doesn't have the courtesy to invite me for her wedding?
Adesua. But she sent you an invitation since last month.
It was Charity that told me about it. Then the next day, Ifeoma now called me on phone and sent me the invitation on WhatsApp. I'm sure it was Charity that reminded her.
But you know how these things are. When organizing an occasion, you tend to forget to invite people around you. You know it now.
I knew you were going to defend her.
I'm not defending her. I'm just stating the obvious. We are her friends and we are supposed to help her anyhow we can.
Did I hear you say help? Does it look like Ifeoma needs our help?
Why not? She doesn't know it all.
I thought she knew it all.
Adesua, wait. Don't tell me you're still angry with Ifeoma over that mere rumor. Wait, don't tell me that.
It's not a rumor, Lucy. It's Ifeoma that gossiped me to Mike that made him leave me.
Were the both of you competing for him?
At least, she must have known what Mike was planning. She's very close to both Chooks and Mike.
I don't really like your behavior towards Ifeoma. Really, I don't. I don't like the way you treat her. You guys should just settle all this. Stop all this beefing. It's not good.
I beg, it's okay. It's okay, please. Come and see me off. I have a rehearsal to attend this evening. Come and see me off. Let's go.
I'm telling you now, you won't hear. Try and forgive her. It's not fair.
I beg you, I will.
It's crumbling. I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you leaving me. What is my offense? Tell me now, I will apologize. But do not leave me now, I am begging you. My love, I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell. Cause I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell. Remember how we used to love each other and all our plans to build up our family. Hope you remember the agenda. Will you throw it back to my face now? Just tell me what's the problem. Maybe together we will survive. But do not leave me, I am begging you please. I may not survive if it feels like I'm dreaming. My world is crumbling.
Yes, hi Rita. It's me, your boss. I said your boss. Hey, calm down, all right? Calm down. Good. Well, that's because I've been out of town, okay? Listen up, I want you to stay away from the office for now. Do not go to work tomorrow. I'll tell you when to resume work. Okay? You don't have a problem. Your salary is intact and will be paid in due time. Good. If anyone asks of me, tell them I traveled out of the country. Okay? Good. Take care of yourself.
What is crumbling? I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you leaving me. What is my offense? Tell me now, I will apologize. But do not leave me now, I am begging you.
Yes, Mike. Let me call Mike.
I can't believe that you left me.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later.
You're
Thank
nice,
you.
Cause I can't believe that you
Switched off.
left me. Or maybe I am dreaming.
Customer, the MTN number you have dialed is currently switched off. Please try again later. Thank
Remember
you.
how we used to love each other and all our plans to build up our family. Hope you remember.
Michael never switched off his phones.
Just tell me what's the problem. Maybe together we will solve it. But do not leave me. I am begging you, please. I may not survive if it looks like I'm dreaming. My world is crumbling. I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you're leaving me. What is my offense? Tell me now.
Hello, Bonna. Bonna, are you okay? Are you alright? We have been so anxious about you. Bonna, see, you just came back. Now, you need to settle down, and look into the situation and the town before. You need to see how things are going before you do anything. What? You don't mean it? She's in her room. She has not been feeling well since then. It's okay. It's okay. My goodness.
Goodbye market, go pay.
My goodness. You plotted this. You carried it out. Hey!
I'm back from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We told my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know the wanna don't mess with a nigga like me. And if you stepping on my toes, you are doomed.
I am super happy. Yes, it's a miracle. Do you know that he has an office in my daddy's plaza? One of his plazas actually. And he's into real estate and properties. Yes, Chooks, yes.
Are you serious? What a coincidence.
Oh, no. I wouldn't call it coincidence. I would say it's providence, okay? It's the will of God. He is destined for me.
Oh, my girl. But wait, is he not yet married?
Oh, that's the surprising thing. He said he was to be married by December, but he hasn't seen his missing rib.
Aha! Now you're talking. That means God actually kept him for you, right?
You can say that again. Do you know?
What?
Do you know that Chooks is the right man for me? And when I say the right man, he is the real deal. Girl, tested and trusted. I know what I mean. And girl, if you see his earrings, his jewelries, now that turns me on. It turns me on. Oh my days.
Oh, I know what you mean. I understand you perfectly. Girl, you know, to get a real man these days is like extracting water from Zuma rock. You know me, I've given up already. I've given up on men.
I was almost there until this moment I met him.
Tell me, what's the plan?
The plan? Well, we are going to get married.
Marriage? Slow down, girl, please. Just take it easy, okay? Don't be carried away. Don't get carried away. Don't.
Girl, what is wrong with you? Listen, the best things in life happen suddenly. You go grab them. You have to grab the bull by the horn. Okay? So we are going to get married. I mean, come on. I'm not just meeting Chooks. Chooks is like, he's my schoolmate. And we dated, girl. God just brought him back to me. So it's marriage straight. I mean, I'm even lucky he's still single.
Don't give me that. You're not the one that is lucky. He is actually the one that is lucky. What are we saying? Babes, have you forgotten that you are a billionaire's daughter? So he's going to swim in money. Don't even say that. Had it been he didn't meet you, he would have ended up with a liability. And his life will never remain the same. So please, don't give me that.
Okay, I'm going to talk to you later, okay? I have stuff to do, alright?
Okay, when you're back. Alright, no problem. I was actually going out. I have girls' party. I have a classy party to attend. You know what I mean? I'm going to have fun. Have fun. Fun all the way for me. You know, I'm not talking about marriage. Okay, my love, I'll see you later, okay? Take care. Be careful. All right, bye.
Okay, good night. Talk to you later. Woo!
Oh my God, this girl will not kill me. Marriage, me. Show the earrings.
Who's in this house? Who is there?
What is it? What is it this early morning? Why can't you allow people to sleep well before waking them up?
Bridget, this is very, very urgent. I heard that Chukwuka's wedding is no longer going to hold.
What?
What? What? That Chukwuka's wedding is no longer going to hold. Unanasim what?
Where did you get this information from?
From Okereke's son. Okereke's son came back last night and said that is exactly what he heard.
Ekekwe, you're a bearer of fake news. May God have mercy on you.
Yeah.
How can my brother call off his wedding and you be the first to know before us?
Respect yourself. When you disrespect Ekekwe politely, I am telling you that what we see from top, if we begin to break it down for you, the whole community will. Okay, let me now tell you, since you have ears to listen. The other day, I saw one cool day, and the other. Let me leave story for another day. Before you say I'm a bearer of fake news, part 2.
It's okay. Please, you can now go.
Yeah.
You can go now. Go. Because there is nothing like that. If at all there is something like that, I will be the first person to hear, not you. Because go, Naba.
Okay. I just came to confirm.
Go.
I just came to confirm because if you go this Lagos, it is very, very important to me. Front seat, Lagos, very important. Front seat with seat belt. Chakakum, na me get up.
Go.
Lagos, sir. Front seat.
Please go.
Okay, get up. As one can confirm. Oh, let me come and confirm. Lagos with seat belt. Let nobody play with me with that front seat. Okay. Front seat. Seat belt. Lagos. Okay.
Just imagine.
Oh, Lagos,
Mama, what kind of confusion is this? What kind of confusion is everything about Brachukuka is always like this?
My daughter, I am even tired of Chukwuka, my son. Yes. What is going on? Chukwuka knows how to kiss someone's spirit.
He knows how to do it. So Mama, what do I do now? I'm already dressed to travel to Lagos. What do I do?
You can't go again. You have to stay back and let's watch.
I can't believe this happening now. I can't believe you leaving me. What is my offense? Tell me now, I will apologize. But do not leave me now, I am begging you. My love, I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell. Cause I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe I am dreaming. Or you under a spell.
Hello?
Hello. Mama, good morning. Mama, it's me, your son, Chukwuka.
Chukwuka?
Mama?
What happened? Mama, put it on speaker. Put it on speaker.
Chukwuka?
Mama, I'm fine. I'm sorry for keeping you guys in the dark. Something came up, so I had to postpone the wedding.
Postpone the wedding? Nah, what happened? Why did you postpone the wedding? Nah, talk.
Rachukuka, do you know I'm already dressed to come to Lagos this morning? Yeah. Thinking that something has happened to you.
I'm sorry for all the stress, Nena. Okay? Now this is absolutely beyond my control. Believe me.
Nah. Please talk to me. I am your mother. Why did you postpone the wedding?
Well, Mama, I'll give you details later. But just know it's for good. We're going to plan another wedding, and this time it's going to be talk of town. Okay? But you have to keep this to yourself. Please.
Just like that?
Nah. Who is this woman, this new woman you are talking about? And when?
I just told you I don't want to go into details now. Okay? I just gave you a confidential information, and you have to keep quiet about this.
But Chukwuka, come on. What do you want me to tell the people that are coming here to ask?
Just tell them something happened and I had to postpone the wedding. Okay? I'll come up with the date and then we'll be ready for another wedding.
Hey, now what is all this? Do you know that people have been coming here disturbing? Did you remember again that you promised them that you are going to bring a bus that will convert them to Lagos?
Oh, Mama, you don't owe these people any explanation. Okay? Just tell them I changed the date. I postponed the wedding to another date. That's all. Meanwhile, Nena, don't bother about coming to Lagos, okay? I'll call you when I'm ready for you. Oh?
Brother Chukwuka, is that all you have to say?
Listen, I have to go now. I have a meeting I have to attend to. Alright? I'll send you guys a reasonable amount of money to take care of yourself for the inconveniences. Okay? I love you, Mama. I love you, Nena. Take care of yourself. And keep your mouth shut. You know you like talking too much. Just keep your mouth shut. Please. Bye-bye.
Do not leave me now. I am begging you. My love. I can't believe that you left me. Or maybe
Hey! Hey!
So, Mama, Ekekwe is correct. Very hard to believe. Oh, Brother Chukwuka. Brother Chukwuka will go in Nala.
Para! Oh, we're on Nala pete. Muri! We home ranye. Kesi him na woman. Hey! At this 9 minutes. Couldn't what they have because
go buy, who buy market go pay, and who pay must to collect and good.
Windows say I don't know the portion where they for Bible, but I still remember them say, come make we reason together. Naimika no one rough handle you again. I just want us to reason together right now. You know, say me and you don't deal on this matter since yesterday, and you've been proving stubborn. But as you can see, as much as stubborn way you dey prove, that same way I am determined to get what I want.
I'm not stubborn. I'm not stubborn. I've been calling him, he's not taking his calls. What am I supposed to do?
What's you now? You just say you want to receive hostler this morning.
I'm sorry.
You dey ask who get money question.
I'm sorry. So I'm only trying to say it's not my fault.
It is your fault. It is your fault. You and your friend planned evil against my sister. You didn't know I was gonna come down.
It's not me. It's Chooks. Look.
If you talk again, I'll collect one of your legs. Now, take this phone. Call him. Put it in loudspeaker. Let us know where he is. Make no mistakes. I want to hear every conversation. Edge there.
I already told you it's not.
If you talk again, criminal. Put it in a loudspeaker. Put it in a loudspeaker, that's what I said.
Hey, Mike, what's up?
Hello, Chooks. How far now? I've been calling you since yesterday. You're not picking my calls.
My woman was around and had a lot to do.
I beg, spare me this your woman matter, babe. Look, we need to see, okay? It's very urgent.
Why? Is there a problem?
Yes, I'm fine. It's about this informer's brother.
What about him?
See, guy, honestly, the way this guy is going about this thing, he's very serious. So he's very serious. We need to see. We need to see so we can plan how to discuss with him.
How do you mean?
Look, it's not phone talk, okay? We need to see face to face, eh?
You know what's up now. You know we cannot see now, please. Besides, I wonder how this guy escaped death penalty.
But I don't know. I wish he... Look, where are you?
Well, I'm at a hotel in Lekki. But of course you know it's not a place where anyone else can come. Huh? You know what I'm doing now. You know what's going on. You know what's up now.
I understand. So, how do we see?
Alright, just give me 10 to 15 minutes. I'll call you back.
Okay.
Criminals. See your lives. See? God tell you. 3. We will come out for water. No fish sink sheep. We don't sell cantata. If you don't know, if you see the fire wey burn me, you na belemense. Stand up.
I've called him for you now. Stand up.
Okay. Sorry.
from Singapore, where we dey play with the Singapore. We turn my niggas over there, we dey do things to the core. So make you know the banana.